Hey, I'm Rachel Robbins, the Chickologist. I'm here at XO to show you some cocktails that'll make you give thanks during this Thanksgiving season. I'm gonna show you how to make the Thankful Mule. It's basically a mule that's just been amped up and added to and made extra super yummy. So we're gonna start with a bar spoon of fig paste. I'm using a chili fig paste because I like things spicy. In there. Now we're gonna do a split base for this cocktail. So we're gonna do 1 ounce of dark rum, 1 ounce of bourbon, 1/4 ounce of lime juice, gonna add some ice to give it a little shake. I'm using XO's Pebble Ice for this one. Just to blend up all the ingredients. Now I'm going to add some Pebble Ice to my glass. This ice is especially good for drinks that have mixers in it, like ginger beer, club soda, tonic. It's gonna add a lot of iciness to the drink without dilution. Pour in this cocktail. Now I'm gonna add my ginger beer. Never shake your ginger beer. Explosions will follow. I'm gonna pack in a little bit more Pebble Ice on top. I have some fresh thyme. Give it a little slap, releasing all the oils, make it extra delicious. And I'm gonna add this is the fun part, everybody loves fire, smoking cinnamon stick. It's gonna make the room smell like autumn Thanksgiving dinner. Oh, love it. And that is your Thankful Mule.